that it's more fun in the Philippines. Oh, it's more fun in the Philippines. Oh, don't you know? And it's bumper to bumper for an hour. On it's how we only move meter by meter. My driver sings me a tune to set me in the mood. And he turns to me and say, boss, understand that it's more fun in the Philippines. And you're gonna feel at home, 'cause the people are friendly, so you'll never be alone. It's more fun in the Philippines. Yes, the people are so kind. They live with God in their heart, and they show it with their smiles.